Sometimes, a journey is only as successful as the guide who helps you navigate it. Take selling or acquiring a business jet. Going it alone can easily become a calamity of false starts, wrong turns, and dead ends. Partnering with an unqualified or unfocused broker can mean bad advice, missed opportunities, and disappointing outcomes. But when you trust ACASS to guide you through your aircraft sales or acquisition journey, you can count on the very best counsel and actions for your particular situation. We take the time to truly understand your needs and circumstances. Then we devote our international experience, in-house know-how, and global reach to delivering the best possible results. With ACASS helping you acquire or sell an aircraft, you'll always end up just where you hope to be.